In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Adalo. We'll go from opening the site to creating your first app and taking a quick tour of the builder so you know exactly where everything lives. First, head to the Adalo website. On the top right, click Sign Up. You'll see a short form, enter your email address, create a strong password, and type your full name. When that's filled out, click the button that confirms the sign up to move forward. Keep your login details somewhere safe. You'll use them to come back and continue building anytime. Once you're in, look toward the top area of the editor for the drop-down next to the app name. Open that menu and choose Create New App. Adalo will ask where you want users to access your app. You'll see options like mobile, tablet, and desktop or mobile only. To keep things flexible, choose mobile, tablet, and desktop for now, then click Next. You'll land on the template screen. Templates give you a head start with pre-built screens and flows. Browse the options and pick the one that best fits the kind of app you want to build, such as a directory, a booking tool, or a simple starter layout. After selecting, click Next. Now give your app a name. Choose something descriptive that makes it easy to recognize later. Then set your primary color and secondary color. A quick tip: pick a high contrast pair so buttons and text are easy to read, and consider colors that match your brand or idea. When you're happy, click Create. You'll arrive in the builder. On the left edge, click the plus icon. This opens the panel where you can explore components, sections, and features, things like lists, forms, buttons, and more. It's your toolbox for assembling screens. Next, open the branding area to adjust global styles like fonts and colors so your app looks consistent throughout. Then switch to screens to see, add, and rearrange the pages of your app. This is where you define the user journey and connect actions between screens. Finally, visit Database. Here you'll review the collections that power your app's data, add fields, and understand how information flows between screens and users. That's it. You've signed up, created a new app with a template, set your colors and name, and located the key panels you'll use as you build. Follow along in future videos as we hook up data, add logic, and publish.